Hello, welcome to another video. Today we will be talking about how to use networked custom properties in Core. In this video, we will cover how to set network custom properties on an object, how to change them, and how to get them. Network custom properties are an advanced way of storing information, sending information, and receiving information. They are, in my opinion, better than event broadcasts as they're not limited to how many network custom properties you can set per second. First, let's talk about how we can set up network custom properties on an object. First, get the object that you want to set up network custom properties on. I'm going to be using this. Here, you have a custom property. If you don't already, then set custom property. Then, once you have that set up, right click and click Enable Property Networking. This makes it a network custom property. Now, let's talk about how we will change a network custom property through a script. First, we want to set the thing that you're changing. So me, the object I'm changing is spawned. Then you would type colon set network custom property. And then you put the name. So for me, it is value. And then the value you want to change it to, example 5. So now let's see how it works. As you can see, we have the property set to 1 here, and our script changes it to 5. Let's see if it works. Press play, and when it spawns, if we press tab, we can pause the game. We can select the object and see that the value is now set to 5. This means everything is working. Now, how would we receive the network custom properties value? So, what you can do is you have your script that would be picking it up, and all you have to do is just get custom property. You have no need to get anything else. Is this how you would normally receive a custom property? As you can see, now we have our object. What we want to do is that we want to have an event fire when the value custom property is changed in the spawn script. So what we can do is create a new script. Let's name this script network custom property changed event. Let's create the script. Okay, so now that we have a new script, let's start setting it up. How about we make local obj goes script dot parent. This is the parent of the script, so how about we drag the script in, which is a custom property changed event, drag it as a child to this, so the parent is this. So let's do obj dot network network property changed event connect. And this should be the function name that you want to connect to the fire when this event goes off. So how about we do changed? Okay, now function changed, and on this function, let's do print property changed. Go to our event log, get this template, and try again. Now, when our object is spawned, it shows that our property was changed. So, how about now we get the value of the property after it was changed. So, what we can do, local value equals obj get custom property changed pop. So now that we have a changed pop variable, let's define a changed pop variable in the function. So what we can do is let's do obj updated and then changed prop. So obj updated is the core object owner that is fired through here, or the information that's passed through here. So we don't We're not going to be using this, but we still have to have it defined. Otherwise, it won't be passing through this. It needs to be passed through. So let's do print value. Okay, I have that saved. Now let's try it out. As you can see, it shows that the value of our object is now 5. If you come back to our spawning script and change it to something like 7, you will see that the value of our object is now 7. Okay, now how about we have a upgrader that upgrades the value of the object when it passes through. To do this, we must create a trigger and attach a script to it that modifies the value of any objects that pass through it. So let's do that now. Okay, so let's create our new script and call this upgrader. I'm actually just going to copy most of these stuff from my other script into the line script, as it is very basic and it should be easy enough to understand. So this here, we have no need for these two. And then, so we have this, and what we can do is local value equals other dot parent or other, whichever is be using. Me, it's the other dot parent because, as you can see, the block is like this. The mesh itself is a child to the object, and the value is on the parent of the object that we actually registering the pass-through trigger. So I this and we get custom property value. So I have that now, and then value equals value times 2. Now what we can do is other parent set metric custom property value to value. So have that. Now when the block passes through this trigger, it should send off that event and also upgrade the value. Just put the upgrader as a child to that. So let's try that now. Okay, as you can see, it is erroring as it is trying to register these. That's not a big problem for now. Let's open up event log as well. As you see, it's 7. Now it's 14, as you can see here. So when we went through here, it upgraded. This is useful if you. This also shows you how to do stuff such as have health on NPCs, because it's a similar concept of changing the values of network custom property. And of course, this can also be used instead of event broadcasts. It's not as useful as event broadcasts sometimes. It's not as easy, but it's a lot more efficient and does not have a rate limit of 10 a second like event broadcasts do. So, I hope this tutorial helped you out. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed. Also, if you join our Discord, we are giving away 2 free reindeer mounts, each $15 worth. So, if you join within the next week or so, you should be eligible to get it. It's given away to 2 people in our Discord. Or, leave a comment down this video with your quarry's name for a chance to win as well. As we'll be giving away one to one person in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.